Ever pondered what the rich do differently that helps them accumulate wealth? It's not just about earning more money. It's about a mindset, a way of thinking and acting that sets apart the wealthy from the rest. One of the key factors that differentiates them is their commitment to financial education. Yes, the wealthy never stop learning. They understand that the world of finance is vast and ever-changing, and they make a conscious effort to stay on top of it. They read books, attend seminars, follow financial news, and seek advice from experts. They know that the more they learn, the better they can navigate the financial landscape. Now you might be thinking, I'm not rich. How can I possibly keep up? The good news is, financial education doesn't require a hefty bank account. It starts with a desire to learn and improve. There are countless resources available: books, online courses, podcasts, blogs that can help you broaden your financial understanding. Knowledge is power, and in this case, it's the power to make informed financial decisions. But knowledge alone is not enough. It's what you do with that knowledge that counts. And this is where goal setting comes into play. The wealthy don't just aimlessly accumulate wealth. They have clear, specific financial goals. They know what they want, and they create a plan to get there. They understand that wealth is not an accident. It's a result of deliberate actions and decisions. Take the story of Sarah, for example. She was born into a low-income family, struggled through her early years, but she had a dream. She wanted to break the cycle of poverty, so she started educating herself about personal finance. She set clear goals: save a certain amount each month, invest in stocks, start a side business, and guess what? Today, Sarah is a self-made millionaire. It wasn't easy, but her commitment to financial education and goal setting made it possible. Remember, a wealthy mindset starts with financial education and clear goals. So, start expanding your financial knowledge today and set those goals. It's the first step towards building your own wealth. Ever noticed how the rich seem to have money control, not the other way around? It's all about budgeting, the unsung hero of financial success. It's not just about keeping track of income and expenses, it's about being intentional with how every penny is spent or saved. Now let's talk about Warren Buffett, one of the wealthiest individuals globally, known for his frugal lifestyle and stringent budgeting. Despite his wealth, he still lives in the same house he bought in 1958. It's not about deprivation, but about prioritizing what truly matters. Budgeting helps you understand where your money is going, allowing you to make smart decisions. It's about setting a plan, sticking to it, and adjusting it as life changes. Start with a simple budgeting rule like the 50-30-20 rule. 50% of your income for needs, 30 for wants, and 20 for savings or debt repayment. So, to take control of your money, start budgeting today. Why do the rich always seem to have multiple income streams? Well, it's because they understand the importance of diversifying their income. They know that relying on a single source of income is like putting all their eggs in one basket. So, how do they achieve this? 2 words: investing and entrepreneurship. Investing is a game changer. It's the magic wand that turns your hard-earned money into a money-making machine. The rich understand this and use it to their advantage. They invest in stocks, bonds, real estate, and other assets that can generate passive income. But don't be fooled into thinking this is a playground for the rich and famous only. There are plenty of investment options suitable for different budgets. From low-cost index funds to peer-to-peer lending, the options are vast. The key is to start small and grow your portfolio over time. Now let's talk about entrepreneurship. It's more than just starting a business. It's a mindset. It's about spotting opportunities, taking calculated risks, and creating value. It's about being innovative and resilient. It's about turning your passion into profit. The entrepreneurial journey may be challenging, but the rewards can be immense. Consider the story of Elon Musk. He started with a small software company and went on to become the CEO of multiple billion-dollar companies, including SpaceX and Tesla. His secret? A relentless entrepreneurial spirit and strategic investments. Musk didn't just work hard, he worked smart. He understood the power of leveraging his money and his skills to create multiple income streams. So, what's the takeaway here? Start investing, start a side hustle. Don't wait for the perfect moment. Start now with what you have. Remember, the goal is not to become a millionaire overnight, but to build sustainable wealth over time. Investing and entrepreneurship, the 2 powerful tools to build multiple income streams. They are not just for the rich. They are tools that can help anyone, regardless of their current financial status, to create a better financial future. So why not start today? Ever wondered why the rich always seem to know the right people? Well, it's no coincidence. In the world of wealth creation, networking is the secret sauce. It's all about who you know, and more importantly, who knows you. Let's delve into this often overlooked yet critical aspect of wealth accumulation. Successful individuals have understood that building a strong network is as valuable as any investment in their portfolio. Unlike other assets, though, your network isn't something you can buy. It's something you cultivate over time with genuine interest and care. Imagine your network as a garden. You can't just plant the seeds and walk away, expecting a lush landscape. No, you have to nurture your relationships like you would a budding flower. It's about consistency, about showing up, watering those connections, and giving them the sunlight of your attention. So how can you grow your network garden? Start by attending industry events, webinars, and forums. These are great platforms to meet like-minded individuals who could potentially become valuable connections. Remember, networking isn't a one-way street. It's not about what people can do for you, but what you can do for them. Show genuine interest in others, offer help when you can, and you'll find that people will naturally want to do the same for you. Take the story of entrepreneur and billionaire Richard Branson. He attributes a significant part of his success to his expansive network. He didn't just build businesses, he built relationships. From his employees, associates, to the people he met on his travels, everyone was a potential link in his network chain. In his words, succeeding in business is all about making connections. He understood early on that his network was a powerful tool in his entrepreneurial journey. So, as you walk the path toward financial success, remember to invest in people, in relationships. Learn to appreciate the art of networking. It might just be the game changer in your wealth-building journey. Remember, your network is your net worth. So what can we learn from the financial habits of the rich? We've walked through a number of habits and strategies that are common among successful individuals. First, we've seen that financial education is key. Never stop learning about money and how it works. It's a lifelong journey that can lead to great rewards. We've also discussed the importance of setting clear and achievable financial goals. These act as your roadmap, guiding you towards improved money management. Remember the power of budgeting. By controlling your finances, you control your future. We've highlighted the benefits of investing and entrepreneurship. These avenues can help diversify your income and yield significant financial growth over time. And finally, we touched on the value of building a strong professional network. The right connections can open doors to opportunities you might never have imagined. By adopting these habits, anyone can set their path towards financial success.